Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a chicken curry. This is so simple and easy to make, guys. I hope you guys can learn from this dish. Make this with someone and they will definitely love it. Right, let's get straight into this video, no time wasting. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to me, guys. So I've got my pot here and I've got the cooker set to the highest heat. Just let your pot heat up for about 1 minute. Once it's heated up, you can add in your olive oil. Just let your oil heat up again for another minute. I've got my onions here that I've chopped. I use 4 medium-sized onions here, and I just added that into my pot and I'm giving it a stir into my olive oil. Now I'm going to add in my freshly grated garlic and ginger. You can add a handful of each. Adding fresh grated garlic and ginger will definitely elevate your curry, but if you are feeling lazy, you can use frozen ones. Along with my garlic and ginger, I added in 2 cinnamon sticks and 2 bay leaves. And now I'm just giving that all a good stir. I'm going to crank the heat down to a medium heat and I'm just going to let my onions soften up and cook for about 10 minutes. Make sure you're occasionally stirring your onions because you don't want them to burn. I added in 2 teaspoons of salt. This will be more than enough for this dish. And I'm just going to stir that into my onions. The key to a curry is to get your onions as brown as possible, so just keep on stirring, guys, and just let it cook. It should take about 20 minutes at least. Once you're happy with the consistency of your onions, you can go ahead and add in your spices. I added in 2 tablespoons of mixed curry powder, half a tablespoon of coriander powder, and half a spoon of some cumin powder and a tiny bit of chili powder. I'm just giving that all a good stir now into my onions, and now we've got this curry paste. I'm also going to add in some of this mango pickle paste. This will give a kick to your curry. I definitely recommend adding this in. This will make it taste so nice, guys. I added in about 2 teaspoons of this. I'm just giving that all a good stir now. Once I added in my curry powders, I'm just going to add my chicken in straight away. I asked the butchers if they can give me 4 chicken legs and cut it in the middle. So I've got my leg and thigh piece, and I asked for the skin off as well. I'm just adding all the pieces into my curry now, and I'm going to give it a good stir into my curry paste. Leave this on a low to medium heat and just let your chicken cook for about 20 minutes. You can see all of that oil and water has been released, and just stir it occasionally. Now just set your cooker to a medium to high heat and let your chicken cook for about 10 minutes. Your chicken should finally cook through, and now on the last 5 minutes of cooking, just crank it up to a very high heat. Add in half a cup of water and just pop the lid on and let it cook for about 2 minutes. Give that a good stir and garnish with lots of coriander as well. And there you have it, guys. That's all done and you're ready to serve. The cooking time of this dish is not too bad, guys. It's about 40 minutes altogether. I really hope you guys learned from this video. Please try and make this for yourself. You will absolutely love it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!